National Police in Benidorm surprises a taxi that was transporting, without knowing, 15 kilograms of illegal substances right on the famous British street. The works on the tram line are here once again. They've been here for quite a while, but why this time we are not affected finally by them, and hopefully will not be for a really, really long time, because changing between tram and bus and tram back again to get to your favorite destinations sometimes can be quite annoying. So let's see what's happening right now with our favorite tram, which a lot of people are using to discover the Mediterranean coast villages. The weather forecast, you'll be quite surprised and happy, I'm sure, and things to do in Benidorm right now for the end of May, beginning of June. Let's dive into it. First of all, let's talk shortly about the situation update in terms of tourism and how busy it actually is. As for right now, obviously we are at the end of May, which means that it's getting busier and busier. There's quite a lot of people out here. The beach looks like it is summer from the last videos that we've shown you here on the channel. And honestly, it is really vivid. It is really noisy at some specific points of the day, and there's people everywhere we go. Some villages around Benidorm and some parts of Benidorm still are looking slightliest better, a little bit quieter than the busiest places, obviously, but just in a couple of weeks' time, all of this will change completely. All the theme parks are open, with an exception of the Aqualandia. It will be opening up in, is it today? 22nd. So tomorrow, Aqualandia is opening up tomorrow, and all the parks will be open already. You'll be able to enjoy. And once Aqualandia opens up, we all know what it means, and it is that basically it's almost summertime. All the water activities on the beach, or we only need to wait up until the floating water park that's usually put on the Levante Beach and Poniente Beach in the middle of the sea. That one is a paid attraction. However, it only starts, I think, from the end of June, July, and August months, and early September, and then it's gone back again. But all the rest of these are available for you. There's going to be expositions, there's going to be excursions, there's going to be boat trips, water activities, museums, free of charge activities, natural parks, local markets, viewpoints, villages, old towns. A little bit of everything is available for you out here in Benidorm and beyond it. Let's go with two main news, shall we? And one of the things obviously kind of surprised us, but at the same time, since we know it's a usual thing to happen, it's just that I have a feeling that right now they're like going on to it like really hard. And it is about the National Police stopping by accident. It was just a regular control that they're doing. You know that it's really busy. There's a lot of tourism. There's a lot of vehicles. There's a lot of things, a lot of movement of people happening. So Benidorm's police always in summer season are increasing controls. They're patrolling the streets much more. They're checking out the beach, the old town, the shopping alleys, and just like that, obviously, they're making sure that everything's safe, that the drivers didn't drink too much, that there's nothing that could be dangerous for other people who are here in town. And with one of these controls, they've stopped a suspicious taxi, which was bringing people around the British Street, okay, the Girona Street. And they suspected it because people inside were doing like suspicious movements. They decided to stop it without thinking what might happen. And at the end, once they stopped them and inspected the vehicle, they found 15 kilograms of substances. Not going to tell which ones, but substances, okay, something that shouldn't be there. 15 kilograms. They found more than 8 mobile phones, I think, different types of currency, Hungarian, Turkish, and euros, and I think something else. They found out there. So obviously these people, they went into a fast court and they are in provisional prison right now, waiting for the final sentence. But it's just interesting to see how all of a sudden there's nothing, and then all of a sudden these things just keep happening week after week, non-stop. Everything's falling apart in that area, it seems like it. And yeah, well, it's a very uh, grayish time for that area, honestly. And obviously there's bars that are good, there's bars that are healthy bars, as we call them. Those places are 100% honest, they don't have anything to hide, and they go up in front and they say that there were inspections done, nothing was found, everything's good, we're still open. they are transparent and good. Proper entertainment places, right? Those where you can still go and it's nice and you know you won't have any trouble inside of it because they do work legally how they should be. So not all the British street is bad, honestly. There's just some places, but others are perfectly good to go. Trust me. Usually, the places that we typically film, they're all good to go. They're all places that we know and that we like due to the entertainment, and a lot of you guys love them too. So, not everything is bad on the British street, only a little part of it. So, yeah, three of them are in prison between 50 and 62 years old, I think they were. We'll see what's going to be happening afterwards. Even a routine control can change things really, really fast. And now let's talk about the last news, and it is about the tram. As you all know, in our area between Alicante and Dénia, there's always a way of traveling. Slower or not, doesn't matter, but it's a pleasant way of traveling because it gives you an option to see gardens, sea view, like how people actually live, right, in all this region. So for all those who love to travel between the villages, they do usually choose tram to do so. And there's two lines in our area that are useful. Line number 1 connects Alicante with Benidorm, and line number 9 connects Benidorm with Dénia. So this line number 9 has been undergoing a lot more work on it. You know that the trains are changing. We're going towards more energy efficiency. So some of them are half electric or full electric ones. And then the railroad has to be fixed and changed. Some parts are damaged. Some parts were in a fire a couple of years ago. So 23 kilometers of road work were being done. And we were really afraid because we thought, oh my goodness, once again, right, for the summer season, they're going to be putting buses, like tram bus and then tram back again. It's unpleasant, it's uncomfortable, hop off, hop on again. But the good news is that they've decided to do it at nighttime. So right now, at the end of May, beginning of June, probably the first week of June maximum, it will all be done and over with. So all of the road works will be over, and we were not even affected because it was all done during nighttime. This time, I think it's actually a correct thing to do. A lot of people are using it. Let us know if you've used the tram at some point, or maybe you are looking forward to use it. It's great if you want to visit. From here, from Benidorm towards Albir, Altea, if you want to visit Dénia, if you want to visit Ondara, Calpe, etc. From Calpe, there's quite a big walk though from the stop towards the beach, so bear that in mind. But other than that, Campello, San Juan Beach, Alicante City Center, like all this is available for you with the tram. And it is quite convenient, honestly. Not the fastest way of transportation, but still a nice one because you're able to enjoy a lot of nice views. So we're happy that this time there's no bus transport involved, and we really, really feel like we're wishing for it to be over finally and all the tram lines to be fixed completely so that we could just enjoy it without any kind of road works out here. But at least we don't have the cancellations like at some points for trains here in Spain, high-speed trains, local trains. Our tram is working quite all right, at least by now. Fingers crossed. And now let's talk about the weather here in the area. It's been quite strange this year up until now, which is the fifth month of the year. We've had a little bit of everything. We've had 5 or 6 storms only in hurricane storms, authentic ones. From January up until now, we have epic videos from January. Check it out if you didn't see those, because that was incredible. We've never ever seen this here before in the area. And then we've had a lot of rain, we had a lot of cloudy, cold weather, and now finally the weather is back to normal. And the good news is that for all those who are coming right now on holidays or anytime soon, it's going to be sunny. There's going to be no rain, not even clouds. It's going to be sunny, blue sky. Sun's going to be shining. Might be a little bit of wind, but it's appreciated if the temperatures will be how they will be. Here on the screen, you can see that obviously, since it's sunny, temperatures will be increasing gradually. And throughout this week, which is practically the last week of May, we will have up to 30 to 32 degrees in our region at some peak points of the day. 32 is great. It is proper summer already, honestly. And apart from that, we will also have up to 36 in Alicante and Murcia, and up to 40 in Andalusia, some specific parts like Granada, Sevilla, Cordoba. These are like the hottest spots in Andalusia. So there up until 40, here up until 32, more or less, which is still great, trust me. And a lot of tourists and locals also, why not, are enjoying a gorgeous weather in our area. Thank you for accompanying us today. Let us know if you're coming here on holidays soon and what your plans are. Do you want to explore? Just want to go and stay by the beach? Or you want to travel around the area and get to know it slightly better? Maybe some kind of local market, a village, old town, hiking, who knows? Let us know what your plans are for your future holidays in Benidorm. Thank you for accompanying us once again, and we'll see you here on the channel very, very soon with a brand new video tomorrow. Goodbye.